Hi, it's Emily. Today we're going to talk about memorizing music. So I'm going to talk about how I do it. The way I do it is that I use different inputs. So I have the auditory input, so I know the melody that I'm playing. I know the accompaniment in the background or in the front sometimes. Then there's a visual aspect, what's written on the music, if it's going up, if it's going down, but also where it is placed in the music. Is it in the first page, second page, top of the page? One thing that's the most efficient for me is just my fingers remembering by themselves. So the kinesthetic aspect of just the muscle memory of, yeah, very often I just play like this with my fingers and I'm playing different pieces that I know by heart. But those things usually are not enough. They allow you to play by memory a little portion of a piece, but you need a knowledge of the whole structure to glue it all together. You have sections that are coming back, but with different transitions that go in different places. And if you do the second transition the first time, then you'll be done with the piece way too early. For me, the structure is usually linked with the visual aspect. So I will know that the first time I play this, the transition is, let's say, it goes up, and the second time it goes down. The first time it's on the second page, last line, but the second time it's third page, third line. So those things are all linked between what my ear is telling me is coming next and what my visual memory kept of the music and the automatism of my fingers just going by themselves. So there's different ways to achieve that. Of course, repetition for your fingers to just know where to go. Of course, repetition for your fingers to just know where to go. Repetition, 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 repetition. Listening to the music if you can, because this way you can do other stuff and just impregnate yourself with that music and with the melody so it's part of you. Then you also have the visual aspect. What I do sometimes is I put a sheet of paper on my music and I say, okay, I'm going to play the first part or the first page. And I try to go through it. If I have a hesitation, I just check and I'm like, okay, that's what's going on there. I try to make a picture, remember, I put it back and I come back to it. Of course, it's a lot of concentration, of focus to learn by heart. So you need to have a little bit of time ahead so you can do it and have time for your brain to just process the whole thing. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question or comment, you can leave them below. If you like the video, please like it. Be sure to check out our store and to listen to our podcast, the Flute Talk podcast, which is available anywhere where you find podcasts. And also, if you want to help us out, check out our Patreon. Thanks for watching.